Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox BABYMONSTER's We Go Up. I have two versions. I have Farida and Chiquita. This is the pattern version of their album, by the way. Let's start with Farida since I've already opened hers. First, here's the front and the back. And her pattern is leopard print, or it could be cheetah. First is the CD. On the back, it has the track list. We have a bookmark. And there she is. Next, we have this flyer. Let's flip through. Okay, for the first photo card, we have this one. The next one is this one. And the last one is this one. All right, let's go over to the next one. That's what the front looks like. And here's the back. Chiquita seems to be tiger stripes, but it could also be zebra. Her CD. Here is her bookmark. Here's her flyer. Let's flip through. Let's check out her photo cards. This first one is this one. The second one is this one. And the last one is this one. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.